2001 Audi A4. What we got done on it: 2 high flow cats, 2 new flex pipes. Then it's got a factory X pipe, factory resonators, 2 small ones, 2 medium, then a medium one. Then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. There's those gigantic mufflers we took off of it. So that's how you do a muffler delete on these, boys and girls. It's basically true dual, but with resonators. So, and an X pipe, but it's got free flowing all the way through. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Actually, sorry guys, it's an Audi A6, 2.8 liter Quattro. Audi A6. Doesn't sound too bad. Audi A6.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is